Hi guys, welcome to Afri Lioness. So today is Sunday. We went to church, we worshipped and we enjoyed. Now I want to showcase the roads of Borrowdale, some of our shops and what is happening in Zimbabwe in terms of development. I hope you enjoyed the video and enjoy the music behind the video and have that dance whilst you are watching our city, Harare. Guys, I hope you are enjoying this leafy suburb of Harare. We're still in Borrowdale, still enjoying the drive. You can see the jacarandas, how they are coming up, shedding their leaves after winter. It's a bit cold in Harare. We passed through the trauma center and it brought some memories. Of course, there are some memories there. And we had to drive through Kingsmead again because we had used the other road. Now we are passing through Kingsmead. Enjoy.
Every Sunday morning, you could be here, but you're gone, and my heart is growing. You say don't worry, but my heart is breaking and begging for your heartbeat. You say don't worry, but I'm falling. Yeah, just give me more love. You say don't worry, but my heart is breaking and begging for your heartbeat.
Hi guys, so we had a stopover at Groombridge Shopping Center where we stopped briefly. I had businesses at Mkuru, you know, passing through the restaurant where people were having coffee. I really wanted to have a cup of coffee, but then it was too late. We needed to rush back home. It's a Sunday afternoon, very cold in Zimbabwe, but we're enjoying our ride. So guys, enjoy with me. Let's go.
So can you rock my world? The way I love you is so absurd. You know I want you now, so if you say I'm gonna leave the way with you at every turn. So can you rock my world? The way I love you is so absurd. You know I want you now, so if you say I'm gonna leave the way with you at every turn. I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything. I messed up and I'm haunted. And if I'm being honest, I try to make it all stop. Say I'm okay, but I'm not. No, I can't help it. I'm so jealous of you taking that place in his heart. It should be me, but it's not. Wish I could care less, but I'm so jealous of you. Fighting, but no matter what I do, crying while you're lying in his room, trying, but it's hard to hide the truth. I'm jealous, I'm jealous, I'm jealous. I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything. I messed up and I'm haunted. And if I'm being honest, I try to make it all stop. Say I'm okay, but I'm not. No, I can't help it. I'm so jealous of you taking that place in his heart. It should be me, but it's not. Wish I could care less, but I'm so jealous of you. Fighting, but no matter what I do, crying while you're lying in his room, trying, but it's hard to hide the truth. I'm jealous, I'm jealous. Fighting, but
Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you've enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in my next video. Ciao.